We are here! Look, Sarah! Look, Lily! That is Japanese ground!
Are we there? Oh, my back hurts. How long was that flight?
14 hours. But we are on time. 2 p.m. exactly. My schedule is perfect.
Lily, we landed. Welcome to the land of the rising sun.
Cool, Dad. Can I turn my data on now? I need to post this.
No phones. Look out the window. It is culture.
It looks like concrete, just like the airport in Chicago. Mark, be careful. We are not in a rush.
We are in a rush, Sarah. We have to get the train, then the hotel, then dinner at 6 p.m. I planned everything. Let's go.
Okay, everyone, grab your bags. Our Japan adventure officially begins right now. Wow, look at this place. It is so clean. Sarah, look at the floor. You can eat off the floor.
Mark, shh. Why is everyone so quiet?
It is polite. We must be polite too.
Look, a robot. Hello, Mr. Robot.
Dad, stop talking to the vacuum cleaner. It is embarrassing.
It is not a vacuum, Lily. It is the future.
Hey, team, passports? Check. QR codes? Check. Hotel address? Check. I am the master of preparation.
Mark, where is my passport?
You had it on the plane.
Oh, here it is. Sorry.
He is welcoming us to Japan. Okay, this is actually cool.
See? I told you Japan is cool. Now, stand straight, smile for the officer.
Okay. Step 1 complete. Step 2. The train.
This looks complex.
Just press the English button, Mark.
I know. I am looking for it.
いらっしゃいませ。切符をお取りください。
Whoa! What did it say? Did I buy a car?
Move, Dad. We need 3 tickets to Shinjuku Station.
Yes, Shinjuku, the big city, the heart of Tokyo. Look at the money. It is so crisp. These are our golden tickets. Do not lose them. If you lose them, we live in the station forever.
Mark, you are scaring me.
I am just being dramatic. Let's go. The train leaves in 4 minutes. Run!
We made it. Good job, team.
It is so green. I thought Tokyo was a city. This looks like a farm.
We are outside the city. Wait 30 minutes. It will change.
Dad, the Wi-Fi on the train is so fast. I already downloaded a map.
We don't need your digital map, Lily. I have this. And I have a paper map in my pocket. Paper never runs out of battery.
Paper also doesn't show you real-time traffic, Dad. Stop fighting! Look! Is that Mount Fuji?
Maybe. Or maybe it is a cloud. But let's say it is Fuji. Take a picture.
Okay, they look cute.
Okay, game face on. Shinjuku is the busiest station in the world.
Oh my goodness! Where do they all come from?
Just keep moving. Flow like water. We need the east exit. Look for the signs.
Dad, the east exit is that way. The arrow is yellow.
Are you sure? My book says the west exit is better for our hotel.
Dad, the book is from 2024. Things change.
Trust the dad. Follow me. We go west.
Mark, my feet hurt. We have been walking in a circle. I saw that bakery 5 minutes ago.
No, that is a franchise. There are many bakeries. We are making progress.
Dad, we are lost. My GPS says we are underground. It doesn't know where we are.
We are not lost. We are exploring.
Okay, fine. Where is the exit?
Wow. It is bright like daytime.
Okay, the hotel is called Shinjuku City Hotel. It should be.
Right here. This is not a hotel.
Whoa. Dad, you took the wrong exit. We are on the wrong side of the station.
Impossible. I planned this.
Mark, it's okay. Let's just take a taxi.
No. Taxi is expensive. We are Americans. We walk.
Great! Now it is raining.
I have umbrellas. Ah, stupid zipper.
Dad, chill. Look. Irashaimase.
Oh, look at this food. It looks so fresh.
Okay. We regroup here. We eat dinner here.
Dinner at a gas station store? Mark? Really? Mom, Japanese 7-Eleven is legendary. It is better than American restaurants. Trust me, I saw it on TikTok.
Oh my God. This is the best sandwich I have ever eaten.
See? I told you.
Okay. I admit it. This is good coffee.
And? I admit something else. I am lost. I have no idea where the hotel is.
The paper map is wet. It is ruined.
Finally! Okay, Dad. I found the hotel on Google Maps. It is 10 minutes away. But we have to go back through the station.
Back into the beast?
Yes. But I will lead this time. Follow the blue dot.
Okay, Captain Lily. Lead the way.
Target acquired. We are here.
Oh, thank goodness. A bed. I need a bed.
Lily, good job. Good job. You saved us.
You're welcome. But you own me an anime figure tomorrow.
Deal.
It looked bigger on the website.
It is cozy. I love it.
Hey, Dad. Today was crazy,
But yeah?
but it was kind of fun. The lights were pretty.
I want another strawberry sandwich tomorrow.
We can get 10 sandwiches. Good night, team. Welcome to Japan.